All of our insects are important, but personally I've been particularly fascinated by our moths. There's over 2,500 species of moth living in Britain. This huge diversity and beauty that they have is really quite incredible, and it got me hooked from such a young age. But it's not just that, they play an integral role in the healthy functioning of our ecosystems, feeding our birds, our bats, our mammals, and pollinating our wildflowers and some of our crops. Over the last 3 years, I've been sampling caterpillars in grassy margins like this to see if street lighting has any impacts on their populations. This is done by using a sweep net. The caterpillars themselves are nocturnal, so during the day they'll spend the time nested at the base of the vegetation, but at night they'll come up to feed. They'll climb the grassy stems where they'll become very easily catchable in the sweep net. And we record the numbers of caterpillars in lit areas such as this, and then about 100 meters down the field, exactly the same field. Everything is the same as far as we can measure, except for the presence of these very bright white LED streetlights. And what we found was actually really striking. There was up to half the number of caterpillars in lit areas like these compared to the unlit sections about 100 meters up the field. One of the best things about researching the subject of artificial light at night is that there are easy, tractable and affordable solutions that are readily available. And these have no lag effects. That is to say that if we make the change, which might be dimming the light or changing the colour, the problem goes away immediately. If you compare this to climate change, while there of course are solutions, it may take decades and decades for action to see results.